Hello students, myself Manoj Pandey of Mathematics from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Now today we discuss the volume of a cone. Volume of a cone. Show the volume of cone. Volume of cone equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. Pi 1 by 3 pi r square h. If the radius and height are given, then you find the volume of a cone. Otherwise, if the volume or radius are given, find the height, and the volume and height are given, find the radius. So, such examples are given. Question number 1 of the find the volume of cone and the radius 6 and height 7 centimeter. Radius 6 centimeter and height 7 centimeter, and the volume of cone equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h and 1 by 3 22 by 7 6 into 6 into 7. So 7 cancel 7 and 3 2 are 6 and 44 into 6 264 centimeter square cube. 2 centimeter 264 centimeter cube is the volume of a cone. So the radius and height are given to use the formula of a cone 1 upon 3 pi r square h 1 upon 3 pi r square h. So to simplify and get the result of volume of a cone. Clear? Next question. Next question number 2. Find the capacity in liter of a conical vessel with radius 7 and slant height 25. Radius 7 centimeter and slant height 25 centimeter. First, when we find the volume of a cone, must be required the radius and height, but here height is not given the slant height of a conical vessel. We use the formula of slant height to find the height of a conical vessel and the radius is given, then you find the volume of a conical vessel. So L square equal to H square plus R square and 25 square equal to H square plus 7 square. 625 minus 49 equal to H square. 576 equal to H square and H is equal to under root 576, so 24 centimeter equal to H. This is the height of a conical vessel. This is the height of a conical vessel. Now the height and the radius are present here, then you find the volume of conical vessel equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3 3.1 22 by 7 or 7 into 7 into 24. 7 cancel and 3 8 are 24 into 7 centimeter cube. Centimeter cube. So the volume is given in a liter. The volume is found in a liter. So 1000 centimeter cube equal to 1 liter. 1 liter. So therefore volume equal to 1232 upon 1000 is equal to 1.232 liter. Equal to 1.232 liter. Clear? Okay. Next question. And the question number 3, the height of cone is 15 centimeter. Height 15 centimeter. the height of a cone is 15 centimeter and its volume is 1570 centimeter cube. Find the radius of the base. Use pi equal to 3.4 and volume 1570 centimeter cube and pi equal to 3.14. Find the radius of the base of the cone. Find the radius of the base of the cone and volume equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h and 1570 centimeter cube 1 by 3.14 into r square into 15. 3 5s are 15. 5 and r square equal to 1570 upon 5 into 3.14 and 1570 upon 1570 equal to r square and implies that r square is equal to 1570 into 100 upon 1570, that cancel equal to 100 and r is equal to under root 100, that's equal to 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter is the radius of base of the cone. 10 centimeter is the radius of the base of the cone. Next question. And the question number 4, if the value of right circular cone of height 9 centimeter is 48 pi centimeter cube and the height equal to 9 centimeter and value equal to 48 pi centimeter cube. Find the diameter of the base. Find the diameter of the base and value equal to 1 upon 3 pi r square h. The volume and height are given. On the basis of that, we find the radius of the base of the cone. So 48 pi equal to 1 upon 3 pi r square into 9. And pi cancel pi, 3 3s are 9 and r square equal to 48 upon 3, that's equal to 16 r square, and r square r is equal to under root 16, that's equal to 4 centimeter. R is equal to 4 centimeter. Now the diameter of cone is equal to 2r, and 2 into 4, that's equal to 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter is the diameter of the base of the cone. 8 centimeter is the diameter of the base of the cone. If we know the height and value are given, so the radius we calculated with the help of a formula, because in the formula value, radius and height are three unknown quantities. They have two quantities are known. To find the third quantities, so the formula, we use the formula to find the radius of a cone, and on the help of radius we determine the diameter of a cone. Okay, thank you.